बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ के एक प्ले पिगमेलियन के एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। इसकी जो समरी है वो मैंने पहले ही अपने चैनल मेहरान टीवी पर अपलोड की हुई है, तो आज हम इसके एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाउ मच मनी डज एल्फ्रेड डू लिटल वांट फॉर हिज डॉटर फ्रॉम हाइजेंस? द ट्रू आंसर इज़ 5 पाउंड। वो 5 पाउंड मांगता है। ओ is the favorite car of which of the following character? Its true answer is Eliza. The last act shows the characters getting ready for whose wedding? तो इसका ट्रू आंसर है Alfred Doolittle and his women. By what name does Eliza address Freddie the first time that they encounter each other? The true answer is Freddie. When the flower girl gets in the taxi at Covent Garden after the thunderstorm, where does she initially tell the taxi cab to take her? The true answer is B. Buckingham Palace or Buckingham Palace. Huygens claims that English is the language of. The true answer is Shakespeare, Milton, and the Bible. Why does the crowd hiding from the rain get so upset with Huygens for taking notes of the flower girl's speech? इसका सही आंसर है A. They think that he is a busybody, plainclothes policeman who would not leave an innocent girl alone. What have Pickering and Huygens written respectively? Its true answer is C. Spoken Sanskrit, Huygens Universal Alphabet.
नेक्स्ट है जी, हाउ डज एलिजा डूलिटल ड्रेस हर सेल्फ अप व्हेन शी विजिट्स हाइजेंस टू आस्क टू टेक स्पीच लेसन्स? द ट्रू आंसर इज डी. शी वियर्स 3 mismatched ostrich feathers in her tattered hat. What reason does Huygens give for deciding to take on the experiment? The true answer is D. Because life is but a series of inspired follies and one must never lose a chance to commit one. Next है जी, after she threatens to leave because is so unfeeling, what does Henry give Eliza to convince her to stay? The true answer is half a chocolate cream. What does Eliza usually wear to sleep? The true answer is her day clothes. When Alfred Doolittle says he is willing to sell his daughter for 50 pounds, Pickering asks him if he has no morals. Alfred says what is response? The true answer is C. Cannot afford them. All of the following witness Eliza Doolittle's phonetic debut at Mrs. Huygens at home except. The true answer is C. Alfred Doolittle. Which of the following summarizes Huygens' essential attitude toward women? The true answer is D. They are all idiots. What does Freddie think Eliza is speaking when he meets her at Mrs. Huygens at home? The true answer is the new small talk. Upon finding out about the experiment, Mrs. Huygens thinks that her son and his friend Pickering are infinitely stupid. C वाला ऑप्शन ट्रू है. Who claims that Eliza must be a Hungarian princess? The true answer is Nepomuk. B is true. What does Eliza fling in Huygens' face? The true answer is C. His damned slippers. Eliza has been called all the following except. The true answer is A. The beauty of the Orient. When Freddie catches Eliza running out of Huygens' house, what is she actually on her way to do? The true answer is B. To jump into the river. From whom does Eliza say she learns self-respect? The true answer is B. Colonel Pickering. Why does Huygens tell Eliza she should return to with him? The true answer is A, for the fun of it. Who does Eliza marry in the course of the play to a viewing audience understanding? The true answer is no one. वो शादी नहीं करती.